Renegade Adventure Division here. My name's Matt, and this is my Jeep CJ Renegade. I figure I'd do a quick walk around just for fun. I'm out here at the park. Anyway, this is my Jeep CJ7 Renegade. It is an 86. It does have the 83, I think 82, 83 stripe package on it, but it is VINed as an 86. It has the AMC 304 V8 in it. Originally it had the straight six. The previous owner that had it wanted the V8 in it, and so he swapped the straight six in it for the V8. The V8's from 76. I'm sorry, 79. These rock sliders here are the previous owner fabricated those. They're bolted straight to the frame there. And I want to get probably the new updated stripe kits here. You can see this is pretty janky there, and it's all peeling off. The tub is an aftermarket steel tub. You can see this is not embossed. That's a sticker, which is fine. You know, the previous tub was rusted out, so we're not concerned with that right now. I do have a 2.5-inch lift from BDS going on this thing soon. You can kind of see from the front here, this shackle's got a little snaggle tooth here. And I don't know if you noticed this, the clearance between the wheel on the driver's side on the front is pretty minuscule. And on the passenger side here, it's a little higher. So I do have a little lean. I'm not sure if that's because of the shackle, the spring, the leaf spring, or the shock, but I got new springs and shock going on this thing, as well as shackles. I got a lot. I got an extra hood for it. It's got that's just some extra parts that I got with the purchase. It has a Borg Warner T5 transmission in it. I do have a second one of those that's blown, so I'm saving that one for extra parts. Not sure where the wheels are from, but I believe they're 15-inch wheels. They have the old KO2s on them. These are going to be replaced soon. Probably after I lift it, we'll see what it looks like and then decide what kind of tires to go. Probably do a 33. Got some spillage for the gas tank there. You know, that's just aesthetic too. The tailgate is original. I said the tub is aftermarket. The hood is original. The windshield mount, I'm sorry, not the windshield mount, but the casing for the windshield is original, and the grill is original. I believe the fenders are original too. I'm not sure. I think those came with the tub. So the grill, hood, windshield, and the tailgate are all original. The tub, the main tub, and the frame is all aftermarket. And I do have a soft top. I got the full. This is a best top, soft top. It's probably about 12 years old. And I do have a set of full, or not full, but half steel doors. I don't really run those much. It's either doors on or doors off. It's late February, so I got the soft top on because it's raining. And my wife needed the garage for some things. The steering column, I believe, is from an S10. So it's a little bit shorter, but is very similar to the original steering column. Radio doesn't work. Original speedometer cluster. It reads 36, but it's exempt from mileage. Radio doesn't work. The temperature and fuel pressure, or oil pressure, I'm sorry, gauges all work. Tachometer, that works. And then I don't have a clock over here, but I have a voltage meter, and that works as well. T5, 5-speed transmission, and Dana 300 transfer case. It is Rhino line, but it's popping through. Some rust down here is popping through, and because it got parked outside from the previous owner, so we're going to redo that. And the seats are old rugged ridge seats. These These bolsters are just too high, even for a non-lifted Jeep, so they got torn up and just from sitting in the sun. So those will be replaced soon when I do the liner. And I do have I think it's a Rugged Ridge seat, or maybe it's the original. It's not the original, but I went ahead and took it out. I like to haul some stuff around more so than put people in the back, because it's not fun riding in the back of these things. Anyway, that is the Renegade Adventure Division, Renegade CJ7, signing off.